Strike team go. Engage Makarov on site.
Roger that. Solid copy.
Let's go. Let's go.
Roach, you're gonna get hit by a mortar! Lose him in the smoke! Go, go, go! We've got eyes on target!
Нисколько убитых, там все под контролем.
Впереди враг! Огонь!
We got 2 trucks leaving the target building.
Don't let these trucks get away!
Roger. Firing javelin. Danger close. Moving vehicles have been neutralized. Be advised, we have not, I repeat, we have not spotted Makarov, and no one else has left the house. Those trucks may have been decoys. Over.
Roger that. We're advancing on the house now. Ozone, clear the perimeter!
Этому бойцу нужен враг! Вражеская техника и вертолеты замечены 15 километров. Рядом шоссе.
Breach and clear the safe house. Go, go!
Не нравится мне.
Ozone. Contact your formation. Get eyes on. Office clear. Ozone, make sure no one leaves for the kitchen. Roger that. Scarecrow, give me a sit rep. No one moves to the front of the basement. Dining room clear.
Ворона 24! Это ворона 22!
Top 4 clear. Roger that, top 4 clear. Roach, go with Scarecrow and check the basement for enemy activity. Breach and clear, I'm going. Targeting you 3 o'clock. I got eyes on.
Scarecrow, photographs.
Roger that.
Shepard, this is Ghost. No sign of Makarov. I repeat, no sign of Makarov. Captain Price, any luck in Afghanistan?
Plenty. At least 50 hide guns here, but no sign of Makarov. Perhaps our intel was off.
Well, the quality of the intel's about to change. This safe house is a bloody goldmine.
Copy that. Ghost, have your team collect everything you can for an operations playbook. Names, contacts, places, everything.
We're already on it, sir. Makarov will have nowhere to run.
That's the idea. I'm bringing up an extraction force ETA 5 minutes. Get that intel. Shepard out.
Roach, get on Makarov's computer and start the transfer. Ozone, you're on rear security. I've got the front. Go.
On my way. Task Force, this is Price. More of Makarov's men just arrived at the boneyard. So, cover me. I'm gonna stop that guy over there and use his radio to tap into their comms. We're going silent for a few minutes. Good luck up there in Russia. Price out.
Roach, there's an armory in the basement. Better stock up while you can.
Makarov's men are going to do whatever it takes to keep us from leaving with his intel. We need to protect the DSM until the transfer's done. Use the weapons caches and set up your claymores if you've got any left. Defensive positions, let's go.
Ready to engage. Sniper Team 1 to strike team. Be advised, we've got enemy helos approaching from the northwest and southeast. I'm in position. Enemy choppers in 15 seconds.
Roger that, 15 seconds.
Ghost! Target at 12 o'clock!
Контакт, 12 o'clock!
Вызывайте подкрепление! Нам нужны еще вертолеты, чтобы зачистить район! Go! Contact at 7 o'clock! Yeah, I see him! Берегись! Кидаю гранату! На поддержка огня! Go! Contact! Smoke alarm!
RPG team moving into the southwest. Got it. RPG team moving in from the southwest. I have eyes on additional hostile forces moving in on your position. They're approaching through the solar panels east of the house.
They're moving in through the solar panels, east of the house. I'll try to cut them off as they come to the trees. Use your claymores if you have them. Climb them around the trail east of the house.
Ozone! Hang on the second floor balcony! Впереди брат! Вижу его в прицеле!
RPG team moving in from the east.
Roger that. RPG team moving in from the east.
У нас потери!
Troops west of the house. Hostile neutralized.
Massive on the perimeter. Cover the west approach.
I'm hit!
Российская пехота на 12!
I'm displaying. You're going to be without sniper support for 30 seconds. Stand
Вижу
by.
противника слева!
Так, точно, вижу его!
Ghost! Contact! 5 o'clock!
Это Змей 5-1. Прошу немедленно. К пятиэтажному зданию. К северу. От теплицы. Контакт, 12 o'clock. Right there, I see him. Часа. Перезаряжаюсь.
RPG team approaching from the west.
Solid copy. RPG team approaching from the west. What the hell was that?
Be advised. You have a large concentration of hostiles moving in from the southeast. They just reached the perimeter. I'll try to thin them out before they get too close. Recommend you switch to scope weapons. Over.
Roger that. Everyone cover the field to the southeast. Move.
Мне нужна поддержка с воздуха.
Target at 3 o'clock!
И никаких оправданий. Я am on site.
Tango down.
That's a kill.
Contact to the east.
Убьет меня слева!
Roger that. Enemy helos approaching from the northwest. We gotta cover the front line. Roach, use your claymores on the driveway and pull back to the house.
Target is Oscar-Mike!
Target acquired!
Займите левым флангом и установите
He's down.
Вражеская цель на западе!
Contact to the north!
Hostile neutralized.
Roach, the transfer's complete. I'll cover the main approach while you get a DSM. Move!
Двигателя броня!
Roach, I'm covering the front. Get the DSM. We've got to get out of here.
This is Shepard. We're almost at the LZ. What's your status? Over.
We're on our way to the other end. Roach, let's go!
Contact to the north!
I'm moving!
Sticker is down. I repeat, sticker is down.
Contact at 10 o'clock!
Contact at 2 o'clock! Cover me!
We've got to get to the LZ. We've got to get to the LZ. Roach, come on!
I've got you, Roach! Hang on! Thunder 2-1! I've got red smoke in the tree line! Stand by to engage on my mark! Thunder 2-1! Clear! Hot! Roach! Hang in there!
This is Viper 2-6. Stand by for rocket attack. Over. Roger. Get them hard on that hill. Make sure they're down.
Come on!
Roger.
Get up!
Coming around.
Get up! Get up! We're almost there!
I got it lined up. Watch for snipers on the ground.
You have the DSM. We got it, sir!
Good. That's one less loose end.
Area is sanitized. All targets destroyed. Solid copy. No movement detected. 2-6 going into holding pattern.
Roach! Ghost! Come in, Ghost! You copy? Does anyone copy?
They're dead, Soap. Shepard's cleaning house. I'm working my way back to you.
Shepard betrayed us.
Have to trust someone to be betrayed. I never did. Nikolai, come in. Do you have our location?
Da, inbound Price. But I am not the only one. You got Shepard's men on one side, Makarov's on the other.
We'll have to take them all out then.
Or let them take each other out. Either way, I'll see you on the other side, my friend.